Legendary. Without limits. Anything is possible. Sunbeam Aero Ceramic Steam Iron with innovative design. Powerful steam coverage. Wrinkles vanish. Smoother glide. Faster ironing. Made to resist the toughest jobs. Dimpling design. The ceramic soleplate uses exclusive dimpling technology to provide a superior glide, faster ironing, and a better finish by reducing the friction between the fabric and soleplate for a smoother glide. Channeling technology. The design incorporates a new channeling technology for optimal performance, distributing steam up to 5 times better coverage, evenly across the fabric without losing suction power, requiring less effort and providing a smoother and faster ironing experience. Ceramic soleplate provides better resistance to scratches and an easier glide with the ceramic soleplate, ideal for synthetic and delicate clothing. Sunbeam Aero Ceramic. Anything is possible.
Black & Decker, the #1 brand in irons. The Black & Decker Digital Advantage Iron offers at a glance convenience. The stainless steel soleplate not only provides performance, but also longevity. Beyond steam surge and spray mist, our vertical steaming feature lets you fight wrinkles at any angle. The auto clean system leaves you hassle-free, and the automatic shutdown will leave you worry-free. With the Black & Decker Digital Advantage Iron, you will be looking your best without losing rest.